Architecture definition, basically it's start with the system requirements based on the applications. As I said, if it is an SOC that's getting into your smart TV or an SOC that is getting into your Wi-Fi router or a set-top box, each SOC will have its own requirements. And first you, um, you know, jot down all the requirements, and then the performance requirements. So based on the application, again, you define the performance metrics, how fast your SOC needs to be running at, what is the clock speed, and then the power consumption. So if the SOC getting into a smartphone, the power is very important. You need to optimize it for the power as much as possible to extend the battery life of your smartphone. Similarly, the connectivity needs, whether it needs a Wi-Fi connection, the chip, or a Bluetooth connection, or USB, and PCIe. Then the security features it needs, whether it needs any encryption and other things. Then in the end, your SOC needs to go and compete with similar products in the market. So the cost and size constraints is also very important. You need to sit down and identify those requirements as well.